And now, KY3 First Alert Weather.
All right, we are looking at a live look. I believe this is Ozark. Seeing some rain there. Really, my big question with 3 dogs, when can I walk the dogs?
Can you wait until, I don't know, 6 hours from now maybe?
Yeah, they can.
7 hours?
Sure.
Because when you do walk the dogs out this morning, or really for about half of today, you're going to get poured on, and neither you or your dog are going to like that. Do want to give you a heads up. Most of the rain right now is falling south of I-44, and you'll notice even stretching up towards Kansas City, a bit of a dry slot for parts of central Missouri. I've been receiving some rain reports. Shell Knob, 4.5 inches of rain is what someone emptied out their rain gauge at. And then also out in Mountain Home, seeing some heavier rain. Harrison, a heavier band just moved through your area. Not as heavy at the moment, but still getting poured on. So there's Mountain Home, and in this area just received a rain report that at 2.5 inches of rain fell there. And it's going to be widespread, all of this heavier rainfall. We do have this aerial flood warning that is in effect until 1:15 p.m. And what this means is that the flooding is going to occur gradually. So those lake levels, those creek and stream levels, they're slowly starting to come back up. We'll see the effects a couple hours from now. So you need to be cautious there. And then for these areas here in red, well, that is a flash flood warning. So that is where the flooding can happen quickly. Then on top of these warnings, we also have the watch. This is in effect through all of this evening for everyone here in the Ozarks for the colors here in green. Additional 1 to 2 inches of rain is possible today. We'll get a brief dry period this afternoon, and then another 1 to 2 inches is possible as another line of thunderstorms moves in tomorrow. So here's the timeline on this. Heavy rain you can expect through about 10 a.m. and even noon as we continue this forward. Briefly out west, you'll notice they'll start to be hit by that dry slot, but more rain is coming. Here's a look at the 1 o'clock hour. You'll notice most of us by this point are dry. We're stuck with that thicker cloud cover, but even so, you want to be cautious around those low water crossings even through the afternoon, even when it's not raining. And then tomorrow, the main line of thunderstorms come in. This is all in association with the cold front that'll move from the west to the east. So rain today, more heavy rain tomorrow, and some of these storms have the potential to be on the stronger side. I'm just looking at some very small hail mixed in with this and the occasional wind gusts. But the main story is going to be those heavy downpours and the flooding potential as the rain continues to move on over areas that have already seen so much rainfall today, even yesterday. We've been seeing all this. This is just added on top of it what we're going to be getting on Sunday. Here's a look now at Sunday at 7 p.m. Still seeing all of those showers and even some stronger thunderstorms stretching across the Ozarks by 10 p.m. Most of that rain by this point is out towards the east. The rest of us, we're actually going to get some late day dry period. We'll actually see a break in that cloud cover finally. Monday, a few lingering showers are possible. Tuesday actually looks nice and looks dry. But again, the main threat is going to be the flooding potential. So those low water crossings, we're already seeing this. They are flooded. You don't want to be driving through those. And on top of that, we're going to get upwards of 2 inches of rain today. Some spots seeing even more, and then more rain expected through Monday. So you'll notice these accumulations. This is the Futurecast rain total. So those darker red amounts, that's anywhere between 2 and 4 inches. And that's when you can expect over the next 2 days. So heavy rain does make for some dangerous water levels. So again, don't drive through any of those flooded roadways. You just want to turn around if you do see them. You also want to be aware of those low water crossings. Temperature wise, we're warming up, but it'll never feel comfortable. We're in the 50s and 60s. Tonight, not dropping much just because of the cloud cover and the rain, keeping those temperatures fairly consistent all across the board. A couple things to point out. Don't forget tomorrow we do spring forward. More showers and thunderstorms and even some heavier bands of rain dropping locally 2, even sometimes 4 inches for some spots. Monday looks better, slightly dry on Tuesday. More rain in the forecast for Wednesday, which is also St. Patrick's Day.